Just fixing a bike tire? Do you got all the equipment you need and tubes and everything?
I don't have any of the things to actually take the tire out, so I ruined one tool already. So
What kind of tool would take a tire out?
they sell them in like sets of 3 or like with a bike tire changing kit.
Okay. Hey brother. So I got this repair kit for you, which should have your,
Yep, those things.
I got you a bike pump with a gauge too.
Awesome, thank you, man. I appreciate that so much. Oh, it's so much easier with the right tool. Thank you. I really appreciate
It's my pleasure, man.
it. You just saved me like 2 hours worth of work. I needed help. You rock. You made my day.
Good to go, man.
Perfect.
That's $100 for you, man.
Bye-bye.